Tanner wants some chapstick.
Well done. Here. Just put it on your lips. Why does he always clap for that arm? Not my arm tastes good. Not my penis tastes good. Oh my god. My penis tastes real good.
How was it, Tanner?
Uh,
How was that? Was that good? Was that good? Aww. Hey.
fire, tastes good.
That tastes good.
I wonder why.
Okay, that's enough.
No, the camera tastes good. The air tastes good. Everything tastes good.
Oh, Tanner.
It's a good stuff.
No, it's a good boy. Tanner, sit. 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 Tan, sit. Oh, you're such a good boy. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Murr. Good boy.